everyone, we are Team 8 and here is our presentation. To begin with, I would like to summarize the company situation and solution we intend to carry out. As we can see, although TTC is a leading player in the industry, it is facing pressure from competitors and customers price sensitive as well as internal issues. And the questions we need to ask are, should they launch a new product and expand its production line? And how to TTC redefine their strategy to continue in the markets later? And here's our answer. We decide to launch new product, and the details we will answer in the next slide.
To begin with, I would like to review the current performance of the company. As we can see, they have expanded a low-cost production line and repositioned their products, even though they achieved 16% increase in revenue. But if we look deep into the financial number, we only see that their profit didn't increase so much, and the cost is rising at a much faster pace, and their service offerings haven't satisfied the customer yet. Another point we should pay attention here is that more than 90% of revenue increase come from line A and C, especially in line C. That means this line is really potential, and we should keep it going. In addition, we suggest that the company must make fundamental changes in its supply chain, service offerings, sales, and marketing strategy to have it run effectively.
And from the marketing side, TTC with its current high-end product, but with some problem in the past line wrapping sale in 2012, TTC already tried to reposition its product to address the cost-conscious consumer, but they receive a reverse effect. Their consumer confuse their price and financial performance. So our recommendation is to keep the current position, but try to convey a more attractive unique selling point. They also need to differentiate its key feature with each product line, the thing that they didn't really do well before. And lastly, for the least potential growth, but the highest revenue value, they can reposition product like B with the right segmentation by launching new product. And next is about sales.
For sales, now B is the largest contributions in revenue. However, its estimate growth is only 5%, and under the sales view, we also want to launch new product and upgrade other product lines to solve this problem. So the sales team need to identify first customer segmentation for new product, 70% big distributors and 30% for individual customers. General strategy, sales messaging, quality product for a high life quality, and the customer health is the top concerns. We will give promotion for distributors who import from 10 products.
In supply chain department, launching new product will increase the supply chain cost. And in purchasing stage, you can see that the cost of goods sold and HEA cost of line B takes up more than 70% of the cost structure, which is really high. And in production stage, launching a new product will increase the chain over time cost. As a result, it will increase the plan adherence of our existing products. Besides that, we need to spend time to train workers about new product. However, these problems are not significant and can be solved by our solutions, which can be mentioned in the next part.
For human resource, in general, to keep the market leading position of TTC, we come up with this following solution. To ensure the operation in terms of human resource and new product knowledge, we conduct technical team addition and product education. Second, to ensure the company productivity, we enhance the performance tracking. Next.
In terms of financial perspective, the upside, we can see that Nipro will drive revenue growth in 2013 and help pick up the margin that was declined in 2012. In addition to that, the IRR, which is 19%, is calculated based on our assumption, which is greater than the cost of capital product like B, that also the positive indicators of the effectiveness of this product. However, on the downside, if the product fails to perform as expected, there are some financial risks, including, first of all, there will be a decline in operating income in 2013. However, there will be no significant difference in operating margin because of the associated decrease in variable costs. Everything boils down to the fact that we believe launching Nipro has advantages over disadvantages. Also, the negative impacts on different apartments can be mitigated and effectively managed by general strategy. And one of the recommendation for here is the close-knit collaboration with other departments to keep track of the budget, also the effectiveness of each strategy and execution.
And come to the action plan of marketing, we divided to customer personnel based on B2B model and B2C model. For B2B, the business can be some institute for buy our product for medical purpose. At school and hospital, they require the product feature in terms of quality. And the third one can be the sales channel, distributor, healthcare conference. And for the individual who buy our product for personal use, they require the sensitive, usable, and well-designed features. And the third one can be offline, online store, word of mouth, workshop, and digital app. And from our finding down inside in the medical industry, nothing can go wrong even just slightly. So our device need to get the technical advice and support by the expert for the right time. And we coming up with our idea. Expert advice to optimize your life with the slogan, when innovation meets their health status. We divide our strategy approach into 3 main phases. For the first phase, we want to raise awareness of our consumer by the key team, the right feature and good quality, but still with a reasonable price. We perform the marketing in a digital print ads and direct marketing. The second phase, we want to engage our customer by asking for the expert to become our ambassador to enhance our customer truth toward product quality. And we also offer a partnership package for B2B customer and a membership package for B2C customer. And for the last phase, we want to create an activation and sustain our plan. Firstly, we differentiate each product line through some kind of digital ad and a PR article. But for the launching new product, it will be done with a trade-in promotion, stick with membership package, and create user community to the sustainable development of our plan. And for the own product, it will be distributed to other market to save the cost. And next.
Now we talk about sales. So we increase work capacity of sales to upgrade customer experience is our strategy. Three key problems. First, a lack of instant customer support for technical issues. The second is the slow response of distributors. And the last one is sales team's advice is not efficient to the customer. So here's our recommendations. First, we want to fix the internal. So we will training sales team about sales skill and new products knowledge. And second, we want to building support teams and sales and support team procedures to fix the problem of the lack of instant customer support for technical issues. And we also want to building principle about rewards and punishment both for sales team and for the distributors. We're also building materials with common Q&A for supporting customer. We will give the distributors so they can give faster response for customers and building case studies for selling. We're also using our contacts from our customer from like A, like B, like C to upsells, and we will check and apply our principles, our reward and punishments to have the better sales records and to solve the problem of the slow response of distributors, which means that we have to draw the efficient distribution. We will find more source of distribution. So we just not focus on just one and be depend on this.
In supply chain department, our main goal is to save cost. In particularly at planning function, we will enhance collaboration and structuralize our production planning. Especially for new product, we will follow the sales performance and production status to adjust our supply planning and use forecast demand for over short period to ensure our accuracies and low inventory level strategy because the demand is uncertain. For existing products, we will apply different strategy for different types of stocks. For example, with high inventory cost and high stock risk, we will apply just-in-time production and next-to-order strategy. We also apply ERP system to lessen the planner workload and maintain the collaboration between different departments. In sourcing function, our target is to decrease the purchasing cost and strengthen supply management. In short term, we review with current suppliers to have better material price and also utilize purchasing procedures. And in long term, we will expand our new supply list that can provide same quality product but with lower cost and strengthen supplier management. In making state, our idea is to innovate the production process and product designs. In short term, we will apply technology to increase speed and decrease the breakdown time in production. For example, the automation technology or regular maintenance. We'll also work with R&D team to adjust our product designs to be more friendly users and to be not confuse our customers and remove some functions in middle and low cost products to save costs. We also restructure our manufacturing process to capture the changes in demand and working with our HR and finance to build a training plan or reward policies to improve productivity of workers. Because our brand quality, so we will improve the QA and QC procedures to ensure the quality of finished goods. In long term, we will consider in-short and out-short 3D manufacturers or will relocate our manufacturers to optimize our operations. And last but not least is the delivery function. The main goal is to ensure the product delivered in full on time and intake. To do that, we will review the 3PL's peak performance and ensure that they meet requirements and high reliability in serving our customers. For in-house delivery orders, we will closely follow up the production to ensure the delivery on schedule. In long term, we will consider to relocate or establish more distribution centers to supply our products faster and less expensive.
For human resource, first, to improve customer experience, we need a technical team to guarantee technical issue for customer. HR will work with sales function to hire technical team. Secondly, due to the errors in customer service delivery after sale and to ensure operation performance, we'll come up with performance tracking enhancement. We have 3 steps. First, align to define suitable KPI of all function. Implement to revise rewards and recognition policy. Report to record performance data monthly and quarterly report. Finally, because the product lines and ineffective explanation of sales team create customer confusion, and because of our management at the product level, therefore we will ensure the consistency and effectiveness by product education, which provide training for the staff. HR will discuss and console all the function. After after having official plans for the product line B to educate functional understanding for employees, such as unique selling point of each product and so on. Thank you.